Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome to The English Guy.
Greetings, language enthusiasts. Emma here, ready to guide you through a fascinating day at the museum. Join me as we explore the corridors filled with artifacts, unravel the stories behind ancient exhibits, and uncover a tapestry of new words to enhance your linguistic repertoire. On a bright afternoon, I entered the grand foyer of the museum, greeted by the echo of footsteps on marble floors and the soft hum of whispered conversations. The curator, a knowledgeable guide to the treasures within, welcomed me with a friendly smile as I embarked on my museum adventure. Let's delve into the first set of new words. Grand, impressively large, splendid, or magnificent. Foyer, the entrance hall or lobby of a building. Artifact, an object made by humans, typically of historical or cultural significance. Curator, a person in charge of organizing and managing a museum or other collection. Embarked, to start or begin a journey. Navigating through the halls, I discovered a plethora of exhibits showcasing the rich tapestry of human history. From ancient sculptures to medieval manuscripts, each display provided a glimpse into different epochs and civilizations. Now, let's unravel the next set of words. Plethora, an abundance or excess of something. Tapestry, a diverse and intricate collection or display. Epoch, a particular period of time in history. Civilization, an advanced stage of human development marked by cultural and technological achievements. Glimpse, a brief or partial view. As I delved deeper into the museum's collection, the curator shared intriguing anecdotes about the provenance of certain artifacts. Each story added layers of meaning to the objects, transforming them from mere relics to living pieces of history. Explore the words woven into this historical journey. Delve, to investigate or search deeply. Provenance, the origin or history of something, particularly an object or work of art. Anecdotes, short and interesting stories or accounts. Relics, objects surviving from an earlier time, often of historical or sentimental value. Transform, to change the nature, form, or appearance of something. The museum's ambience, with its carefully curated lighting and informative plaques, provided an immersive experience. I found a quiet corner to contemplate the exhibits, appreciating the artistry and craftsmanship of centuries past. Discover the final set of words in this contemplative setting. Ambience, the mood or atmosphere of a place. Curated, carefully selected and organized, especially for a specific audience. Plaques, plates or tablets used for displaying information, often attached to objects in a museum. Immersive, providing a deeply engaging and absorbing experience. Contemplate, to think deeply or reflect. And there you have it, an exploration into the captivating world of a museum. I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic journey and gathered some new words along the way. Share your favorite museum experiences or words in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to The English Guy and hit the notification bell for more exciting language lessons and literary adventures. Until our next linguistic exploration, happy